Good morning. My name is Charles Mongi. I'm the Acting Director, Space Sector and Technology Development at the Kenya Space Agency. I want to thank the AfriGEO team for granting us the opportunity to be part of the process and be part of the AfriGEO Symposium. I'll present on Kenya's Earth observation space activities. But before that, I'll start by introducing the Kenya Space Agency. We were established as a state corporation on 24th February 2017 with the mandate to promote, coordinate, regulate space-related activities within the country with the vision to utilize space for Kenya's socio-economic development. Our mission is to develop and nurture a vibrant and viable domestic space industry. So the Kenya Space Agency launched the Strategic Plan 2020-2025 in October last year, and the focus is on the upstream and the downstream. On the upstream, you're looking at space engineering related activities, establishing of ground infrastructure, such as the ground receiving station, developing satellite, as well as a launch facility. On the downstream, we're looking at how we can utilize space-derived data to inform decisions by using application as well as any other tool that we could use for decision making. As part of our initiative to catalyze research and innovation in public and private sector, last year we initiated the opportunity of research grants where we are providing funds for universities and now the public sector, private sector this year to develop different solutions. This year we have 3 opportunities. There is a 3U nanosatellite development where we will award 3 universities to develop 3U nanosatellite model with an imager. The other opportunity is on small-scale crop mapping using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Again, these will go to 5 universities that will be expected to develop an application around that area. Then we are introducing an opportunity for startup companies where we will be requiring them to develop a mobile app to be used for data collection. We also applied for an opportunity that was advanced by a group on Earth observation and Google Earth Engine to support, to provide funding for projects utilizing open Earth data. And we did apply and were fortunate to be awarded. Under this, you're calling monitoring for information and decision using space technology, we are leveraging on free and open source data and systems to enable policymakers to make decisions based on data. And we're also working with stakeholders in the development of the products as we seek to build capacity in this sector. So you're focusing on 3 main areas: forest mapping, we're looking at urbanization, we're looking at floods and landslides. And again, eventually we will be looking at developing a graphical user interface that will be used for accessing the product that we will generate. Last year in February, we held what we call the Space Sector Stakeholder Forum, which was bringing stakeholders within the space sector. The discussions revolved around Earth observation, space engineering, and space law. And we had very insightful discussions. The report on their outcome is already available. Coming next year, we are planning to host the Kenya Space Week together with the Africa Space Week, which will be sometime in April, May. And the focus again will be to bring stakeholders within the region to have discussions on how we can grow the space sector in Kenya. and of course within the region. We have a number of Earth observation related projects. I have mentioned already the MITS project, which is under the Group on Earth Observation and Google Earth Engine initiative. We are working with the Agriculture and Food Authority to do crop mapping. We are working with the State Department of Housing and Urban Development in urban planning. And we're also working with the Ministry of Mining to explore the possibility of using satellite imagery for mineral mapping. We are also exploring other opportunities to work with different stakeholders as we seek to promote the utilization of space-derived data for decision making. But this is just a few of the projects that we are currently engaged on. The space sector within Kenya and the region offers numerous opportunities. On the upstream, you're looking at development of satellite, infrastructure such as labs, ground receiving stations, opportunities for research and development, opportunities for capacity building and training. On the downstream, you're looking at elements of harnessing open source data by establishing a data cube, as well as a repository for any other space-related data sets that could be available. And more importantly, also in applications that would leverage on the utilization of the data for decision making. I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share our experience in Kenya, and we are open to discussions of possibilities of working together. And I want to thank the AfriGEO team for all the effort that they put in to organize this event. Thank you.